Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Father's Day is here, and let's be honest, dads are the hardest people to shop for. Ask them what they want, and you will hear, I don't want anything. But you stay happy. Sweet, right? But come on, this man gave up the remote for you more times than he will admit. He deserves more than a world's best dad mug this year. So buckle up because today we are diving into the most entertaining, thoughtful, and sometimes downright hilarious Father's Day gift ideas that make you and your dad happy, wider smile when he sees it. For the dad who swears by his 2010 phone but still watches YouTube tutorial on how to fix a toaster, get him a smartwatch or wireless earbud. Bonus point if you set it up for him, because let's face it, he's going to ask how to operate it at least 5 times. You know the type, he guards the grills like it's a national treasure. Get him a BBQ grill set or a fancy meat thermometer that makes him feel like a MasterChef judge. And if you really want to impress him, throw in a King of the Grill apron. He will wear it like a badge of honor. This dad will negotiate prices at fixed price stores, surprise him with sometimes that dreams I know you love saving money without actually being cheap, like a multi-tool gadget or coupon book made by you with offers like free car wash from me or no arguing during cricket matches. He will treasure those more than cash. He doesn't talk much, but his eyes always say, I am proud of you. For this emotional yet reserved soul, a customized photo frame, a handwritten letter, or a memory scrapbook can be a long way. Trust me, he will keep it on his nightstand and pretend there is a dust in his eyes when he reads. The dad joke champion dad. You laugh, you cringe, you roll your eyes, but you secretly love his corny one-liners. Give him a book full of dad jokes, or better yet, make a personalized mug that says, this mug belongs to a professional joke delivering service. Warning, this will increase joke frequency. He is always busy, always working, but this Father's Day, help him relax with a massage gun, a comfy recliner cushion, or even a mini desk fountain for stress relief. Bonus point if you hand him a cup of tea and say, leave the work and do rest. He might act tough but get teary when you succeed for him. But get something practical with a twist, like a wallet with a hidden message inside or a keychain engraved with a personal note. These small surprises, they hit him right in the feels. If your dad is old school and doesn't want anything fancy, go retro. A classic wristwatch or vinyl record player or even a shaving kit with that nostalgical touch. These things will win his heart like an old singer. No matter what kind of dad you have, the best gift is always the one that comes with your time, your love, and a little laughter. So, whether it's a tech gadget, a heartfelt note, or just sitting beside him during his favorite match, make this Father's Day memorable. Because behind that serious face is a man who's secretly waiting for that one. I love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day. If you like this video, you must share these ideas with other sons or daughters who want to celebrate their Father's Day with a beautiful gift. Thank you.